Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sushi restaurant in Minecraft. First, choose a great spot for your build, perhaps near a water source for a nice view. Lay down a solid foundation using materials like stone or concrete to ensure stability. Then, focus on creating an inviting entrance and a spacious dining area that can comfortably seat your future customers. Think about the overall shape and size to accommodate all your design ideas. Next, let's build a practical kitchen area. Include essential appliances like furnaces for cooking and chests for storage. Design seating arrangements for 8 to 10 customers, using stairs or custom chairs for comfort. Don't forget to add decorative touches such as lanterns for warm lighting and potted plants to enhance the atmosphere. Consider using different wood types for contrast and visual appeal. Now for the heart of your restaurant, the sushi bar. Build a sleek counter using polished blocks and use item frames to display various types of sushi, making it look delicious and authentic. Proper lighting is key to setting the right mood. Use glowstone, sea lanterns, or strategically placed torches to create a warm and inviting ambience. You can even add custom banners to give it a unique Japanese feel. Finally, let's perfect the exterior and add those finishing touches. Design an eye-catching facade with a clear, well-lit sign to attract patrons. Incorporate outdoor landscaping with trees, flowers, and pathways to boost curb appeal. Consider a small patio or garden seating area for extra charm. And hey, before you go, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. These details will make your sushi restaurant truly stand out in your Minecraft world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.